Today we are going to make pancakes. This is very simple and easy recipe. For pancake mix we require white flour 4 cups, castor sugar brown or white 3 tablespoons, baking powder 3 tablespoons, salt 2 teaspoons, baking soda 2 teaspoons. Mix it well and you can store it in an airtight container for 1 month. Keep it in your kitchen cabinet and use it whenever you want to make pancakes. For pancake batter we require pancake mix 1 cup, egg 1, milk 1 cup. Mix it with the help of hand beater until lump free. Then add melted butter 1 tablespoon. Mix it well. Now grease the frying pan and make it hot. Put 1 tablespoon batter and cook on low flame. When bubbling starts, change the side and cook until light golden. Now your pancakes are ready. You can serve with Nutella, strawberry syrup, chocolate syrup or honey. And you can give any shape to fascinate your kids. Hope you will like this recipe. Must try it and bring creativity to your food. Thank you.
Wow! Mom made yum! For more videos, like, subscribe and share. And don't forget to hit the bell. Thank you for watching.